Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCypher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In today's weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and REN. But first, an update on the market and how it is performing. The crypto market is facing yet another crisis as Silvergate Capital, the influential banker to the crypto industry, stares at bankruptcy. Problems started when the crypto-focused bank Silvergate Capital delayed the filing of its annual 10-K report last week. In the filing, the bank stated that it needs additional time from its auditing partners to complete certain audit procedures and answer certain regulatory and other inquiries. Its aftermath sent shockwaves across the crypto market, sending the price of many top cryptocurrencies tumbling and the crypto market cap below the $1.02 trillion level. Silvergate had earlier reported massive withdrawal pressure in the fourth quarter of 2022 in light of the FTX collapse. Furthermore, risk-off sentiment is at work, keeping the crypto market on shaky ground. As the US bond market's yield curve inversion continues to point to a recession in the second half of 2023, globally, investors seem to be turning to increasingly risk-off assets, building cash and short-term US Treasury positions. Now, let's move to the price analysis segment. Starting with Bitcoin. Overall market breadth continues to be weak as the crypto market struggles to recover from the Silvergate saga. Bitcoin has broken below the supportive 20 lakh rupees level over the weekend and has failed to reclaim it multiple times. On the Fibonacci retracement scale, the 23.6% level or 19,50,000 rupee level is providing strong support, which also coincides with the 50 moving average line. The RSI is falling toward the oversold territory, indicating that buyers are absent and the Bitcoin will find it difficult to move higher. 18,40,000 rupees and 17,50,000 rupee levels are two big support levels. As Bitcoin price has a high correlation with Nasdaq, tracking the development of the US market will help you to chart future price actions. If Bitcoin succeeds in breaking away from the negative momentum, we may Bitcoin price reaching towards the 23,40,000 rupees in the near term. Moving to the next coin, Dogecoin. In yesterday's session, we have seen that Doge has attempted a recovery after testing for support at the 6 rupees and 65 paise level and has bounced higher. However, the overall momentum continues to be weak. The downsloping 50 moving average and RSI moving near the oversold territory show that sellers are in command. If Doge fails to break above the 7 rupee level, followed by 50 moving average slope on the way up, then sellers will strengthen their grip. The lack of any positive events in the crypto market and the uncertain global market is keeping the crypto market under pressure as well as the top coins. Doge needs to firmly break above 7 rupees and 12 paise level to reverse the downtrend momentum. The last coin of today's price analysis is REN, which is also our star of the week. REN is the native token of Republic Network and surged by over 22% last week. The coin has been in a clear uptrend since the last week of December, and despite the weak momentum, REN continues to move higher. With each up move, REN is forming a higher high pattern, which is a strong bullish pattern and indicates the continuance of the uptrend. After last week's Silvergate saga, REN did lose some of its gains but recovered quickly. It is currently facing resistance at 11 rupees, and a clear breakout could send the REN price towards 13 rupees and then 15 rupees and 50 paise levels. The RSI is also rising, indicating that the counter has strength, which could propel it even higher. That's all in today's price analysis.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCypher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.